everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to make these beautiful quilled multicolored Jumkas or Jimikis. These earrings are perfect for any Indian ethnic wear. So let's see the required materials. For each Jumka, we need half 5 mm gold strip, 1 5 mm strip of pink, red, orange, yellow, light green, light blue, dark blue, lavender and purple. For the Jumka holder, we need 2 1/4 3 mm gold strips, 2 golden colored jump rings and 2 golden colored hooks. We also need a Jumka mold, a motorized quilling tool, scissors, glue, a slotted quilling tool, tweezers and a brush. So let's begin. First, we need to join the strips. Here I'm using a peel and stick type of strips. You can also use glue to join the strips. Join the half gold strip with 1 strip of pink, pink with the red, red with orange, orange with yellow, yellow with light green with dark green with light blue with dark blue with lavender and lavender with purple. To use the Super Quiller tool, remove the cover and place the tip. Ensure that the batteries are added and press the button to check the tool. Now place the golden strip end into the slot and press the button to roll it into a tight coil. Remove the coil from the tool and ensure that the coil is neither too tight nor too loose to mold it into the dome shape. Add some glue to secure the end of the coil. To get the dome shape, start pressing the coil onto the larger molds and later press it onto the smaller molds. In order to secure this shape, apply glue to the inner part of the dome. Allow it to dry for at least an hour. In order to make the Jumka holder, roll a tight coil with 1/4 3 mm gold strip using a slotted quilling tool. Now that the glue is completely set, we need to fix the Jumka holder to the dome with glue. Allow it to dry for at least half an hour. Next, it's time for decoration. Add tiny amount of glue and fix the beads using tweezers onto the Jumka. Similarly, decorate both the earrings. Next, to fix the hook onto the Jumka holder, open the jump ring, insert it into the holder, insert the hook as well into the jump ring and press to close the jump ring. Repeat the same for the other Jumka as well. Here we have these beautiful earrings ready to be adorned by a pretty princess. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment on the video, share as much as you can. Thanks a lot for watching and please subscribe.